Hello traders, and welcome to another video review of the Bitcoin to the Euro at Zondacrypto. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart. As you can see, I'm using the 100 and 200 moving averages together with the RSI, and of course I'm using the classical technical analysis. What do we see here on this chart? The first thing is that we have the sequence of the higher highs. So this is one indication of the uptrend. The second one is the sequence of the higher lows. So we got pretty much a very nice indication of the ongoing uptrend on the Bitcoin to the Euro. So if we put some sort of the channel here, maybe it will show us the ascending channel. So it looks like this kind of a feature might be quite helpful for the traders. So let me just simply adjust this channel a little bit better, and well, roughly this is how it's supposed to looks like. So we got this channel, very nice ascending channel, roughly from the lows of let's say 15,200 and 50,300, 50,200. We are trading above the 100. We are trading above the 200 days moving average. So the recent high, as you can see, was made at the level of 29,000. I guess that was, yes, 29,130. 123. So this is our technical resistance, and it will stay here. And of course we can add the long-term key technical support, which is still located at the level of 15,220 and 44. So this is the range, current range that the market is trading. We got this downside movement here and this downside movement here. So those might be considered as a corrective cycles. This is a clear five-way structure in terms of the Elliott wave. So if we follow this kind of the reasoning, we should be seeing some sort of the bounce to the upside soon as the impulsive Elliott wave should be continued. So local support 26,227. So that's the level. Local technical resistance is of course located around this level here, 27,155. So this is the local trading range. I guess that we retraced some sort of the Fibonacci, let's say 50% of the Fibonacci retracement already. So let me just take a look here. How much actually did we retrace? Just briefly. Yes, roughly. Let's say it was 50% roughly, because the 50% was here. So we almost there, 38% for sure. Now 50% is located very, very closely. Let me just move my Fibonacci levels. We need only this three, so we don't need any other levels for this analysis. So 38 is done, 26,708. So we can get rid of it. Okay, we have 50% and 61% left. 50% is 25,957. 61% is 25,210 euros. So in our situation, there is another support, dynamic support, provided by the 100 periods moving average, roughly around 26,083 euros. So it looks like a quite a good place for another extension to the upside. How we are doing momentum wise? So as you can see, let me add the 50 level line. So roughly around somewhere here, this is the level of the 50, which is the neutral level, of course. So right now we moved below this level. We are testing this level from from below, right? So the territory that we are covering right now is called negative territory, so the sentiment is negative as well. So we need a breakout to the upside in order to continue, of course, to the upside. So the up move must be backed by the momentum. As long as there is no breakout to the upside in the momentum, we cannot say that this range will be broken significantly. So there is a breakout, and then of course there is a continuation to the upside. So there is a sustained breakout, right? We need momentum to move above the level of 50. Right now is 47.59. Not that bad, however. If you look on this things from the other point of view, but you know, there is still the room here on the negative part of the momentum towards the level of 30, towards the extremely oversold levels, and there is still a room towards the lower channel line, 61 and 51% of the Fibonacci retracement, and 200 periods moving average right now 24,665. So we need to see a breakout to the upside. Otherwise, after this range trading, the market might continue to the downside, just because the momentum is negative and the sentiment is right now kind of a negative as well in the short term, at least in the short term. So this market definitely is the market to observe. It looks very good for a potential continuation to the upside. Okay, so we need to concentrate on a, you know, watching this market, keep an eye on this, and staying focused, staying vigilant. Just for the sake of things, let me just show you guys the other pattern that formed previously. It was kind of a like a wedge pattern. Obviously a kind of a channelish wedge pattern here, and there's a nice breakout here. So maybe we will have the same situation here, and then the market will fly higher above the first target, which is of course located at 29,123. So this is my analysis of the Bitcoin to the euro at the Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.